Hello, welcome to GP Osiri Computer Department channel. In the previous session we saw what is process and what are the different states of the process. Today we are going to learn process control block, abbreviated as PCB. Each process is represented in the operating system by a process control block. Process control block is also defined as task control block, that is TCB. The operating system groups all information that needs about a particular process into a data structure called a PCB or process descriptor. So it is similar to a table containing information about the important aspects of a process recorded in a detailed manner. A PCB stores descriptive information pertaining to a process such as its state, program counter, memory management information, information about its scheduling, allocated resources, accounting information, etc. that is required to control and manage a particular process. So, PCB is required by the operating system to manage and control a particular process whenever it is required. When a process is created, operating system creates a PCB and released whenever the process terminates. So we can say that PCB depends on process state for its creation and its termination. Here is the virtual view of the process control block. The process control block contains process state, process number, program counter, registers, memory allocation, list of open files, and so on. Let's discuss all of them in detail. First is process ID. Each process is identified by its process number called process identification number, abbreviated as PID. The process ID is provided by the operating system. Every process has a unique process ID through which it can be identified. Next is process state. This information is about the current state of the process. The state may be new, ready, running, waiting, halted, and so on. To know more about process state in detail, do refer our previous video. Next is program counter. The counter indicates the address of the next instruction to be executed for this particular process. Generally, process executes block of code. So the program counter indicates a particular line that is to be executed by a particular process. CPU registers. Registers can be accumulator register, stack pointer register, general purpose registers, index registers, etc. The registers vary in number and type depending on the computer architecture. CPU registers are used when the process is in running state. The process is stored in the CPU in the running state for the fast execution of the process. Next is CPU scheduling information. This contains information about process priority, pointers to scheduling queues, and any other scheduling parameters. Scheduling is a concept which tells about a order in which the process is to be executed. The order may be in a sequential manner or it may depend on the priority level. Next is memory management information. The name itself tells that the memory management is used to manage the memory used by the process at a particular time. The memory is allocated to a process when the process is created and it is released when the process is terminated. Accounting information. Accounting information contains information about the resources used by the process at a particular moment. The resources can be time, CPU, memory, input-output devices, and so on. Hence, accounting information contains information about the resources used by the process in detail. Next comes input-output status information. This contains information about when the input-output devices are allocated to a process, when the input-output devices are requested, and when the input-output devices are terminated from a particular process. Thus, we saw that what is a process control block and what are the different aspects for the process control block, that is process ID, process state, program counter, CPU registers, CPU scheduling information, memory management information, accounting information, input-output status information, etc. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.